In figure, ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle at C with AC is equal to 4 centimeter. Find the length of AB. Given ABC, right angle triangle, right angle C, AC is equal to 4 centimeter. BC is also equal to 4 centimeter. That is ABC is an isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, length of two sides are equal. According to Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AC square plus CB square. AB square is equal to 4 whole square plus 4 whole square. AB square is equal to 16 plus 16. AB is equal to root of 16 plus 16, that is 32. AB is equal to root of 16 into 2. AB is equal to 16 root, that is 4 into root 2 centimeters. Find A and B if sin A plus 2B is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos A plus 4B is equal to 0, where A and B are acute angles. Given sin A plus 2B is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin A plus 2B is equal to sin 60. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. A plus 2B is equal to 60. Equation 1. Cos A plus 4B is equal to 0. Cos A plus 4B is equal to cos 90. Cos 90 is equal to 0. A plus 4B is equal to 90. Equation 2. Solve 1 and 2. That is A plus 2B is equal to 60. A plus 4B is equal to 90. Minus, minus, minus. A cancel. Minus 4B plus 2B. It is minus 2B. Minus 90 plus 60. Minus 30. B is equal to 30 by 2. B is equal to 15. A plus 2B is equal to 60. A plus 2 into 15 is equal to 60. A plus 30 is equal to 60. A is equal to 60 minus 30. A is equal to 60 minus 30 is equal to 30. So therefore, A is equal to 30. B is equal to 15, or acute angle that is less than 90.